Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer property marketing photos using Canva Pro step by step clearly. Open Canva Pro and log into your account. Click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner. Select the type of project you want to work on, such as presentation or Instagram post. Upload your property marketing photos by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Click the Upload Files button to choose the images from your computer. Once your images are uploaded, drag and drop them onto your canvas. Resize and position the images as needed by clicking and dragging the corners. Use the Elements tab to add shapes, lines, or icons that enhance your design. Customize the background by selecting the Background tab. Choose a color or pattern that complements your property marketing photos. To add text, click on the Text tab on the left sidebar. Select a text style and drag it onto your design. Edit the text by double-clicking on it and typing your own content. Adjust the font size, style, and color to match your branding. If needed, apply filters to your images by clicking on the photo and selecting Edit Image. Choose from various filters to enhance the visual appeal of your photos. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Share button at the top right corner. Select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred file type, such as PNG or JPEG, and click the Download button. Wait for your file to be processed, then check your Downloads folder for the finished product. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.